Hi, what's up everybody? Welcome back to a video at Hobby Outpost. Today we're going to be getting into some 2019 Prizm Football. This is the retail version of the product. I'm sure you guys have seen a lot of this already on a lot of the other channels, but I figured if I was going to break into some, I would do it here on the channel. In the blaster boxes, you get a cool chance at the laser parallels and one memorabilia card. The laser parallels look really hot, so hopefully get some good players out of that. And then out of the Silo rack packs, there's a red, white, and blue Prizm pack in there with a red, white, and blue exclusive to this particular pack, and those look really cool too. So just thought it'd be fun to do a little small break on Sunday. Ravens got a good victory today, so it's been an awesome day so far. I hope everybody else is enjoying theirs as well. So let's see what we got in here. I'll start off with the blaster box, I guess. Felt like there's a lot of good football going on today. 49ers, Saints. That was a close one. A lot of scoring. How about Drew Lock for the Broncos? Kind of come out of nowhere. So we got 6 packs, 4 cards per pack. Should be one memorabilia, probably that one, and 3 laser parallels. Thought this would be a fun little break. I like the Prizm cards, of course. Michael Vick and the Falcons. Little Jordan Humphrey rookie. Just going to kind of go right through this. Make sure to stay tuned afterwards though, because we'll get back into the giveaway for the month. I'm giving away 2019 unparalleled Baker Mayfield jersey fireworks, serial numbered out of 5. There's a first laser. Saquon Barkley. Those are cool, man, for real. Saquon Barkley laser card. Nice. I like the retails really stepped their game up a lot. I used to not like retail as much, but they've made some exclusive parallels and stuff that are exclusive to retail. And then also this year's Prizm, you have a chance to get the silvers, like this one right here. Juju Smith-Schuster silver. And these are only 1 per hobby box, so it's actually a pretty cool opportunity to get them in some retail. Julian Love rookie. Looks like we got another laser parallel in this one. Looks like they're all upside down. Tajay Sharp. Let's see if I can adjust this autofocus real quick. Sorry, y'all. Tajay Sharp laser parallel. There's the Saquon Barkley. Cool. Alright, 2 more packs out of the blaster box. These actually, blaster box and the 2 rack packs cost about the same, so we can kind of compare values, I guess. The one thing I did notice that was kind of cool about the rack packs is there is a chance for an autograph. I'm sure that it's probably very few and far between, but Zeke, Jerome Bettis, and a rookie, Travis Fulgham, laser, Detroit Lions. I think he's a tight end. Probably not getting a lot of playing times behind TJ Hawkinson. This one's going to have a memorabilia card in it. Tiki Barber. Alex Barnes rookie. Nick Bosa. Sweet. Nick Bosa's a beast. Cool. So, you know, and that's a jersey, premier rookie jersey that's actually exclusive to the blaster boxes. They may be one other form of retail, but they do not come in the hobby versions of it. So it's just kind of cool that they offer something exclusive in the retail stuff. Alright, so these Silo packs have 3 regular Prizm and then 1 exclusive red, white, and blue. Get both of these open real quick. Put that this way. So let's see what these look like here. Kind of same layouts, I think, as the other ones. Hines Ward, another silver. Joe Montana silver. It's pretty cool. 49ers fans. So yeah, that's 2 silvers, and you're only supposed to get 1 per hobby box, and the hobby boxes run, you know, $175 or up. Darius Geis, Trubisky. I don't know what this is. Nick Vanette. Patrick Mahomes, Brilliance. Almost looks like a parallel version, but I guess that's the way they're supposed to come. Insert, that's cool. James White, Adam Humphries, Jarrett Stidham rookie card. Good rookie. Those watching a little bit of the game, Tom Brady looks like he's playing as well as he ever has been. I think he did have 1 pick. Witten, Ian Thomas, Caden Smith rookie card. It's like some other kind of parallel, green parallel. Robbie Anderson green parallel, that looks cool. Green on green. From the Jets. He scored a touchdown today. Robbie Anderson green parallel, cool. And see, I don't think those aren't in the hobby either, so they're just retail exclusives. I know you don't get a chance at some of the other stuff that's in the hobby when you go retail, but it's cool to offer something different. Cameron Jordan, Kurt Warner, Darius Leonard, Emergent. Cool insert. Alright, let's see what we got in the red, white, and blues. Hope for a cool rookie in the red, white, and blue, or maybe some Ravens would be awesome. Jay Sternberger on the back. Oh yeah, those are sharp. Evan Ingram, red, white, and blue. Chris Godwin. Jay Sternberger. Alright, last pack. We'll go on and skip over, do some subscriber exclusives real quick. If you guys haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do. Subscribe, give a thumbs up. Any support you guys can give me to help get this channel rolling, I'd appreciate it. It's something I enjoy doing. It's been fun so far. So I'm just going to try to do different giveaways and stuff and kind of just let it roll out, play out, and see how it goes. Carson Wentz. I do enjoy the hobby, though, and I think it's cool. Expansion to the hobby here on YouTube. So subscribe and hit the notification bell. Myles Gaskin. Red, white, and blue. Alright, that's the break. Stay tuned. Thank y'all. Alright, what's up everybody? Welcome to Subscriber Exclusives at Hobby Outpost. This is where a segment of the channel where I'm going to be talking about some good offers on some cards that I might have up for sale, and then also giveaways and stuff like that. First off, I'm going to talk about the giveaway for the month of December. This is a 2019 Unparalleled Baker Mayfield patch. This is the Fireworks Parallel, serial numbered 4 out of 5. And all you have to do to get in this giveaway is leave a comment down below. I want to hear, maybe leave a comment about what you guys collect personally in your personal collections, whether it be a team, a player, a certain set maybe. So if you just leave a comment of that down below, and that'll get you in on the random comment selection at the end of the month where I'll be giving this card away. If you got any questions about the giveaway, though, feel free to contact me on Instagram, leaving comments down below or anything like that. These two cards right here, I'm offering up for $5 to subscribers. And this is $5 shipped, y'all. Jared Goff Impact Patch. This is a gold patch card. Impact Parallel, serial numbered out of 75. If you want to add either one of these two cards to your collection, just hit me up on Instagram and we'll set up a $5 payment on PayPal. That'll barely cover the shipping, and then I'll send it your way. So Joey Bosa Hyper Patch out of 25. I appreciate y'all tuning in. If you guys have any questions, just feel free to contact me. Instagram, eBay. I also have the eBay link down below. Either one of these two cards are available, so just contact me if you're interested. Otherwise, I appreciate y'all tuning in, and y'all have a blessed day.